If you've ever wondered why you can't seem to finish videos like you used to, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. Your brain has been quietly rewired by something most people don't even notice. But here's the good news. You can reverse it. Part 1. The problem. Here's what's happening. You open YouTube or Instagram, start watching something, and within 30 seconds your thumb is already moving to swipe away. It's not laziness. It's not a character flaw. Your brain has been chemically rewired. The average person now switches between videos every 47 seconds. That's down from 2.5 minutes just 5 years ago. You've lost the ability to sustain attention, and most people don't even realize it's gone until it's affecting their work, their relationships, and their ability to learn anything meaningful. Part 2. What's causing it? The culprit is something called dopamine conditioning, and tech companies are weaponizing it against you. Every time you scroll to a new short, reel, or TikTok, your brain releases a small hit of dopamine, the same chemical released by addictive substances. But here's the problem. Short-form content delivers these hits every 7 to 15 seconds. You watch 50 videos in 10 minutes, and your brain gets 50 separate dopamine spikes. Dr. Anna Lemke from Stanford calls this a dopamine deficit state. Your brain adapts to these constant hits by lowering its baseline dopamine. Now, anything that doesn't give you instant gratification, like a full-length video, a book, or even a real conversation, feels painfully boring by comparison. Your brain literally rewires itself. The prefrontal cortex, which controls focus and decision-making, weakens. The circuits for patience and delayed gratification atrophy. You're not choosing to have a short attention span, you've been trained into it by algorithms designed to keep you scrolling. Part 3. How to fix it. The good news? Your brain is plastic. It can heal. Here's how. First, do a 48-hour dopamine detox. Delete TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts from your phone. Yes, completely. Your brain will feel withdrawal, restlessness, boredom, even anxiety. That discomfort is proof the reset is working. Second, replace micro-content with single-focus activities. Watch one full video. Read one article all the way through. Have one conversation without checking your phone. The boredom you feel isn't a sign something's wrong. It's your brain recalibrating. Third, set strict boundaries when you reintroduce short-form content. Limit yourself to 15 minutes per day, scheduled like an appointment. No mindless scrolling. Your brain needs to relearn that entertainment isn't always instant. Fourth, train your focus like a muscle. Start with 5-minute videos, then work up to 10, then 20. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice a dramatic shift. Your brain will literally rebuild the neural pathways for sustained attention. Part 4. The reward. Here's what you get back. Your memory improves because your brain can finally move information into long-term storage instead of constantly task switching. Deep work becomes possible again. You can actually finish projects, learn complex skills, and think clearly without needing constant stimulation. Conversations feel richer because you're fully present instead of waiting for the dopamine hit of checking your phone. You stop feeling restless and anxious. That constant need for the next hit of content fades. And the biggest reward? You regain the superpower most people are losing, the ability to finish what you start. While everyone else is trapped in an endless scroll, you'll have the focus to actually build something meaningful. Your attention is the most valuable asset you own. Don't let an algorithm steal it. If you made it to the end of this video without scrolling away, you're already doing better than most people. Now go take back your focus.